Welcome! Today we will take you through the steps to resolve the device registration failed error. If you're facing this error, you will automatically be greeted by this message on your screen. To move the installation path of RD services, C/Morpho RD service LOSoft, click on OK. Next, go to the config settings.ini file and open it in the notepad. On checking the fourth line of this file, you will observe that the value is 0. Change this value to 1. Proceed to save the file before closing it. Do not change the name of the file. Next, go to Run and type Services. The following message will be automatically prompted. Click on OK. Now restart the Morpho RD service from Services. The following message will be automatically prompted. Do not press the Close button. The box will automatically disappear. Once the box closes, another message will be prompted. Click on OK. Go to C/Morpho RDlog folder and open rdlogs.txt file. Scroll down to the end of the file. To check the timestamp of your system, see the last line. Now go to the date and time settings of your system. Check if the properties Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically is off. Change it to On. This message will appear on your screen. Ensure the device is attached within the system. Once again, check the logs at C/Morpho RDlog/rdlogs.txt. The line should now read Success. Well done! We have successfully resolved the device registration failed error.